All right, we're taking a look at the arithmetic sequences. We've got a sequence increases by 3 here, begins at 10, and we want to find the value of U20. So this subscript 20, it tells us where in the sequence we're trying to identify. And the labeling of this, that is the first number, the second number, third number, fourth number. And so what this is telling us to find is the 20th number if we extend this. And these are all U values, the black numbers. And these red ones are all N numbers. They count the values. So if you're trying to find this, the easiest way is with a formula. We've established that the formula for arithmetic sequences, UN, that's the nth value, unknown to us, can be found using U1, and then we're going to add the common difference, n minus 1 times. So let's go ahead and set this up. So U20 will be the first value. This is U1 right here. That's the 10. First value, 10, plus common difference. Well, you can see this is a plus 3 pattern. So common difference is 3. And n minus 1. The n, it says here, this is our Q, is 20. So 20, and the minus 1 is part of the formula because you don't start at the y-intercept. You don't start at 0. You start off by a count of 1. So this minus 1 is to compensate. Now, that's a straight calculation. U20 then has a value of order of operations. We're going to go ahead and do 10 plus 3 times 19, which is 10 plus 57, which is 67. Okay. So later on in the sequence, we'll have a value, the 20th value in the sequence will itself have a value of 67. Okay, and now we're going to kind of go backwards with this idea. Well, supposing, continue on, 85, where is that? We don't really know. We got to use letter N. So it's some position in the sequence. That's what we're trying to find. So this is a solve for N question. Same formula, except now the information that we know is not the N value, but in fact the UN value. That's the 85. So when we set this up, the 85 is going to replace the UN, both of those. That's one item. It's not two, I don't know, it's 2 letters, but it's one thing, one idea. 85 equals 10 plus 3, and then n we don't know, we're trying to find, n minus 1. Solve that with your algebra. And be careful, don't make this 13 because this is the number 10, but this is a coefficient 3. This would distribute if you wanted to. We don't actually have to distribute it though. So what I'm going to do is subtract 10 from both sides, and the result of that is 75. And then the leftover here, 3 n minus 1. And now we're going to resist the urge to distribute this. We don't actually have to. We're going to divide both sides by 3. And so we get 25 is n minus 1. And then add 1, 26. This is the 26th number. Plus 1. And so it's right there. A little more traditional. Oh, 26. Have the variable to come first, but we could have 26 equals that, same thing. So this was, after our solving steps, the 26th number in the sequence.